In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D objects in AutoCAD. We'll start by making sure the right tools are visible, then switch into a 3D view, and finish by creating a simple box so you can see the full workflow from start to finish. First, let's add the 3D Tools tab to your ribbon. Move your cursor to the ribbon at the top of the screen, right-click directly on the row of tabs, and choose Show Tabs from the menu that appears. In the list, click 3D. 3D tools to enable it. This makes the 3D modeling commands easy to reach without hunting through menus. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. The option is still in that right-click menu on the ribbon area. Now click the 3D Tools tab to open it. You'll see panels with common modeling commands, including solid primitives like box, cylinder, and sphere, along with tools for editing and viewing. This tab is where you'll spend most of your time when building basic 3D shapes. Before we draw, let's move into a 3D view so you can orbit around your model. Use the navigation cube in the top right corner of the drawing area, often called the view cube, by clicking and dragging to rotate the scene, or click on one of its faces or corners to jump to a preset view. You can also hold Shift and press the middle mouse button, then move your mouse to orbit. This is a fast way to check your model from different angles as you work. With your view set, you're ready to start creating. In the 3D Tools tab, look for the Box command. Click Box to begin drawing a simple solid. AutoCAD will prompt you to specify the first corner of the box's base. Click anywhere in the drawing to set that first corner. Next, move your mouse to define the length and width of the base. If you prefer precise sizes, type the exact dimensions instead of dragging. You can enter values for length and width and confirm as prompted on screen. Watch the dynamic input fields near your cursor or the command line for guidance. After setting the base, move your mouse upward to define the height visually, or type the exact height and press Enter to finish. That's all there is to it. You've enabled the 3D Tools tab, navigated into a 3D view, and created your first 3D box using either the mouse or type dimensions. From here, you can explore the other primitives in the same panel to build more complex models using the exact same workflow.